Hello everybody, good morning again, it's me Giacomo for this quick update on General Motors. So General Motors, as the major car manufacturers are been in a bearish market, and now they're moving sideways. We can always compare these the same businesses with different brands. It's really useful to have a better understanding of the global market for that business. So perhaps you can compare with Ford, you can compare with Chrysler, Toyota, Volkswagen, just to have a better understanding of this stock on this market. So first of all, regarding fundamental analysis, there are some bad news that the virus is still with us, and perhaps the vaccine is gonna be found in next year, perhaps. So it's gonna take more longer than it was predicted. So this is, there is more fear, of a possible second wave of infection due to this COVID-19, that it can just reduce the selling of cars. So those goods that are not really primary goods like cars. If you have a car and if you wanted to change a car, you're not gonna change it because there is still a virus there. You don't know if you have a business, you want to save some money, you don't want to invest in a new car. No, depends, but there are still some priorities there rather than a new car. But anyway, this is bad news. The good news is that anyway, General Motors is gonna reopen its Mexican plants, factories. But again, this is just small good news in this big bad news of the coronavirus. But generally, it seems that this General Motors has been bearish for as soon as the virus came in, and now this one can be seen a kind of attempt to change, to reverse trend that it didn't work properly very well, but can be seen as a signal of bullish. So because we have a new peak higher than the previous one, and we have a new a new bottom that is higher than the previous one. So perhaps the market wanted to, was ready to reverse its pattern, but then what happened that now is moving sideways. So the idea is that we need to understand if this one is a reversal pattern, so the market will jump up after a while, or it will keep moving sideways and perhaps going a little bit down. I think as we are now, just I would wait the right signal to buy, to go long, because hopefully the market's gonna reopen, or hopefully this bad news is gonna change. There will be some medicines that they can help to treat the coronavirus, even if there is not a vaccine, but there are some medicines that at least they can help you not to die. So that is or it's a good point. No, it's not a vaccine, but it's better than nothing. So we can live for 6 months, 1 year with these medicines, even if the vaccine is not yet being found. Again, the idea is that this market might go up. There are good potentiality to go up, but we need just to wait the right time. So they can happen in a couple of days or weeks or even months, but it's good. It's a good market where to invest once the situation will start getting better. Short term, I think that you can invest short term up to this level, and then for a short term investment, so we can go short and then up. Let's see if this support will work as support, or perhaps if it's gonna be broken, this one might work as support and then it can jump up. But again, let's find the right time to go up in this market, to go long. That it seems that is not now, so we need to wait a little bit more. But again, so in conclusion, this one seemed to be a signal of bullish market, then it went sideways, and then perhaps the market in a while, in a bit, is gonna be ready to jump up. It's gonna be a good investment, investment for a long-term investment. So this is my interpretation of this market right now, based a little bit on fundamental and technical analysis. Thanks. Bye.